Adding Paramount Plus to your Rogers Xfinity device, also known as Rogers Flex, is straightforward. Let's walk through the installation and subscription process. Want to watch Paramount Plus on your Rogers Flex? It's easy. First, let's install the Paramount Plus app. From your Rogers Flex home screen, go to the Apps section. Search for Paramount Plus and select Install. The app is only about 50 megabytes, so it won't take up much space. Once installed, you'll need a Paramount Plus subscription. You can subscribe directly through the app or via the Paramount Plus website, paramountplus.com. Choose a plan: Essential, $5.99 a month with ads, or Premium, $9.99 a month ad-free. Consider bundling with your Rogers Ignite TV for potential discounts, bringing the cost down to as low as $6.99 a month. Payment options include credit card, PayPal, or Rogers billing if you bundle. Remember, new subscribers get a 7-day free trial to start. Now that you've installed and subscribed, let's log in. Open the Paramount Plus app on your Rogers Flex. Select Sign In and enter your email and password. For extra security, enable two-factor authentication by entering the authentication code sent to your mobile phone. The device remembers your login for future sessions. If you encounter issues, ensure your Rogers Flex is connected to a stable Rogers internet plan with at least 25 Mbps for HD streaming. If login fails, try clearing the app's cache or restarting your Rogers Flex device. Also, disable any VPNs as they can sometimes interfere. If problems persist, make sure your Rogers Flex firmware is up to date, as Rogers releases updates to improve app compatibility. Enjoy streaming over 40,000 hours of content, including originals like Yellowstone and Star Trek.